Number 12. Okay. The position vector of A is 5, 3 and BA is 4, 8. Show that the magnitude of OB, the two line here is modulus or is a magnitude of OB is equal to 5.1, correct to 1 decimal place. So position vector is OA is 5, 3. So you put here is O go to A is 5, 3. And then BA is 4, 8. B go to A is 4, 8. So B should be somewhere here. So it's 4 and 8. So B will be here. Okay. First, you need to find OB. So you want to find what is B. So OB is equal to OA plus AB. So that equal to 4, sorry, not 4, is 5, 3. You plus AB is opposite of BA, therefore is minus 4 minus 8. So you get 1 and negative 5. To find the magnitude of OB, so OB, so equal to square root of 1 square plus negative 5 square. You calculate, you should get 5.09. 1 decimal is 5.1. So that's all. So remember, practice is the key, and good luck with your studies. And if you feel that this video helped you, and please subscribe, and I'll see you again. Bye bye.